Inaabangang palarong pambansa 2024 aarangkada na ngayong araw. Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. pangungunahan ang opening ceremony. Si Daryl Oclares sa sentro ng balita.
All systems go na sa Queen City of the South, Cebu City para sa pagsasagawa ng 2024 palarong pambansa mula July 9 hanggang 16. Tinatayang aabot sa 15,000 batang atleta mula sa 17 rehiyon ng magtatagisan sa ika-64th na edisyon ng palaro. Kampante si Cebu City Sports Commission Commissioner John Pages na handa na silang pamunuan ng nasabing grassroots multi-sport event.
We are very excited. We're ready. Cebu is ready. We have been waiting for this moment and we're really looking forward to the coming week.
Kaugnay naman ng banta ng masungit na panahon, ilang mga alternative venues din ang inihanda ng CCSC.
About 70% of our venues are indoor. Of course, there are some sports where we really cannot do anything but wait, no, in terms of if there's heavy downpour, softball, baseball, football. But one sport in particular, tennis, out of the 4 venues, 2 are indoor at Alta Vista and at City Green. And also we even have a backup indoor venue, Naga City, with the approval of Mayor Valchong, just in case there's really heavy downpour, that we will be able to utilize the indoor courts in Naga.
Mamayang gabi ang opening ceremony ng Palarong Pambansa 2024 na dadaluhan ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. samantalang formal na magbubukas ng kompetisyon sa darating na Huwebes. Daryl Oclares para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.